everybody. Today we are playing GTA 5 Episode 4. Anyway, do you notice anything different? Well, my videos are so HD. I got a new TV for Christmas and that. And the red one is just this crap. And, that's all. Anyways, get to the video. Earlier that day. Yeah, man, it's starting to get dark out. Why is it getting dark so early? Wow! Ah! Ow! That hurt.
Oh, crap!
There was somebody in that car that I was driving. I'm driving somebody around town. There's somebody in the back of my car. There is. There is. There is!
Oh, Jesus!
That hurt. Anyway, kids, have a safe day. Just don't be standing in front of cars like I am. Well, bye everybody. I'll see you next episode.